We interrupt your Windows 11 session to bring you a Scratch Cat error. Scratch Cat was killed by Rob. The bomb will explode in 100 hours. Also, one reminder: do not at any time turn off your computer. Repeat, do not turn off your computer at any time. Hey, did you just turn off your computer when I told you not to? That is not allowed on Scratch Cat errors. The time will be reduced to 75 hours. Scratch Cat is start to get bit angry. I am now warning you not to shut down your computer. The time will be reduced to 50 hours. Really? Why do you always have to turn off your computer when I tell you not to? That's it. The time will be reduced to 25 hours. Are you serious right now? Scratch Cat is start to get angry. The time will be reduced to 10 hours. Why did you turn off a computer forever? That's it. The time will be reduced to 60 minutes. I can't believe you shut down your computer again. Scratch Cat is getting extremely angry. The time will be reduced to 30 minutes. Why did you turn off a computer again and again? The time will be reduced to 10 minutes. Why? Why did you turn off a computer? Now Scratch Cat is getting furious. This is the 2 chances. If you turn off a computer 2 times, I will punishment you. The time will be reduced to 5 minutes.
Now Scratch Cat is getting creepy. Now this is last chance. Don't turn off a computer again. The time will be reduced to 1 minute. If you turn off a computer one more time, I will be big punishment.
Grar, how dare you turn off a computer 10 times? You got big punishment. This means a war. Grar, how dare you turn off a computer 11 times? You got large punishment. This means a war. How dare you turn off a computer 12 times? You got huge punishment. This means a war. How dare you turn off a computer 13 times? You got giant punishment. This means a war. How freaking dare you turn off a computer 14 times? You got gigantic punishment. This means a war. How freaking dare you turn off a computer 15 times? You got super punishment. This means a war. How freaking dare you turn off a computer 16 times? You got mega punishment. This means a war. How freaking dare you turn off a computer 17 times? You got giga punishment. This means a war.